So we'll continue the centrifugal pump. That is the types of casings. There are three types of casings are used in the centrifugal pump. That is volute casing, that is a spiral casing, vortex casing, but volute casing with guide blades. Volute casing in volute chamber, the impeller is surrounded by the spiral casing as shown in figure. It provides a gradual increase of area of flow, which decreases the velocity of water with the increase of pressure. And the loss takes place due to the formation of eddies or of casing that is. Then vortex casing. It is an improved type of volute casing in which the spiral casing is combined with the circular chamber, and the vortex casing, the eddies are reduced to a considerable extent and is increased the efficiency. Increased efficiency is obtained, that is. Then vortex casing with guide blades. In this type of there are guide blades surrounded by the impeller, and these guide blades arranged in such arranged at such an angle that the water enters without shock and forms a passage of increased through the through which the water passages reach the delivery pipe, that is they are very efficient. So these are the three sketches will be given, that is volute casing, vortex casing, and volute casing with the guide blades. Then priming of the centrifugal pump, that is priming of the centrifugal pump is a priming of the centrifugal pump is the operation in which the suction pipe casing and portion of delivery pipe up to the delivery valve is completely filled from the outside source with a liquid to be lifted by the pump before starting the pump, and thus the air from the three parts of the pump is removed and these parts are filled with a liquid to be lifted, that is, so that is called as the priming. Then class cavitation and its effect, that is cavitation means cavitation can be defined as a phenomena of formation of vapor bubbles of a flowing liquid in the region where the liquid pressure falls below its vapor pressure, and sudden collapsing of these vapor bubbles in a higher pressure region. And when the vapor bubbles collapses, a very high pressure is developed and the metallic surface above which the liquid is flowing is subjected to the high pressure, which causes the pitting action on the surface, thereby forming the cavities on the metallic surface, and also considerable noise and vibrations are produced. The effect of that effects are, first one, that is the metallic surfaces are damaged and cavities are formed. Second, the considerable noise and vibrations are produced. Third, the pump efficiency decreases due to the cavitation. Then fourth, impeller of the pump is damages to the cavities. Then multi-stage centrifugal pump, that is the classification of the centrifugal pumps are classified as the multi-stage centrifugal pumps. When the centrifugal pump consists of two or more impellers, then pump is called as the multi-stage centrifugal pumps. That is, there are two types of the multi-stage pumps. That is multi-stage centrifugal pump for high heads and multi-stage centrifugal pump for high discharge. Multi-stage centrifugal pump for high heads. To develop the high head, the number of impellers are mounted in series of the same shaft, and the water from the sump enters to the first impeller through the suction at the inlet and is discharged at the outlet with increased pressure to the inlet of the second impeller with the help of connecting pipe, and at the end the outlet of the second impeller the pressure is further increased and discharged to the delivery pipe, that is. Then multi-stage centrifugal pump for high discharge. To develop, that is high discharge, the pump should be connected in parallel, and each pump is connected in a parallel to lift the water from the common sump and discharges the water to the common pipe to which the delivery pipes of each pump is connected and each pump is working under a same head. So these are the sketches you can have, that is the multi-stage centrifugal pump for high heads. It is a delivery pipe and from the suction pipe, and these are the impellers. Two sets of impeller will be provided, and multi-stage centrifugal pump for high discharge. So these are connected to the parallel, and we can have the common pipe, and individual discharge will be entering into the common pipe, and at the last what happens, we are getting the discharge of sum of discharge of individual pumps, that is Q equals to Q1 plus Q2.